Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Aston Martin 6-litre V12 Vanquish. This is a 2013 model. I'm going to start off showing you around the outside of this spectacular car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside. From the outside you can of course see those beautiful alloy wheels. It's a two-door car. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all, and then work our way back round to the front from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see the twin tailpipes. Not a bad amount of boot space at all, given the nature of the car as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. You'll notice the 20-inch alloys are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around. We have full comprehensive service history with this vehicle as well. The last service was done within the last 3,000 miles at main dealer. Just briefly before we climb in, it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get these stunning red and black leather seats, as you can see, with the steering wheel to match. The roof lining also matches as well. We're going to hop in and run through some of the controls next. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the far left-hand side, first of all, we have the fuel gauge. We then have the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer within that, and it will show you what gear the car is in there as well. It's an automatic, of course. We're in park at the moment. On the right-hand side, we have the rev counter, and within that space, the total miles for this car, which are 42,966. We then have the coolant temperature gauge over on the far right-hand side. If we back out to this fantastic-looking steering wheel next, we have the minus and plus pedals so that you can change up and down a gear manually, should you wish to. We've also got our phone controls over there as well. And over on the right-hand side, we have the cruise control for the car. Into the center next, we have the main screen. So you can see various things available to us up on here, all of which are highlighted nice and clearly. So for example, you can pair up your phone. Of course, you can listen to your audio via a few different ways. So we've got our radio auxiliary input. Within the radio, we've got FM, medium wave and long wave tuners available to us. You can listen to your own music should you wish to. We can come back out to the main menu. And from there, we can access the satellite navigation. So you can either view the map or, of course, put your directions in yourself. And up on there, if we pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see the full color reversing camera as well. Speaking of reverse, the gears are just here. So we've got park, reverse, neutral and drive. Starting the engine is done with this button just here, which I will come back to in just a minute. Below that, we have our climate control. You can adjust the fan speed and temperature, the direction that you would like the air to be distributed in once it enters the car. We've got different options for either cooled or heated passenger seat, and the same over here for the driver side, with three different settings for both the cooling and the heating, which are denoted, or you can see there for yourself actually, but the different colors will let you know what mode you have that in. We have the volume for the stereo here as well. This dial will control the main screen, and then you've got a few buttons that will access certain menus directly as well. Below that, you can turn your parking sensors on and off, your traction control on and off. We have the kind of track mode for the car and your hazard warning lights there as well. On top of that, you can see here we have our electric seat adjustments. You can control from there, and also with three different memory settings as well. Last thing I wanted to show you is the starting of the vehicle. So you slot the key in, give it a push, and you can hear that for yourself, but the exhaust, of course, sounds fantastic in this car as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.